What's going on? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. To the hello. To the hello. Good morning. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. Please trade smart and trade safe and stay focused and stay DOD. Stay DOD. Let's get it. Time to turn this trading week from red to green today. Link. So Artif, what's up, Patel? Ben, what's up, guys? What's good, everyone? Good morning. We are live. Tad bit later than usual, but we are live nonetheless. How long you been trading for, Josh?
Probably like 6 months now.
Nice. So just a baby.
I don't have to run my business really anymore, so I wanted to take something else up.
Yep. Here you go. Just ran my first time in a while that is harder than lifting. Yeah, it sure can be. Officially passed my first eval yesterday, then logged off for the day. Any advice for first day on a fund? Feeling like I'm anxious and I'm restarting. Yeah, very small, 1 micro. As small as you can trade. What's up, bro? Nice shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, right.
That was hilarious. I seen your DM of the 2 bar you coded. You said Jdun's 2 bar is cooking.
Yeah, that's what I call it.
That was hilarious.
So I figured out the name from the YouTube video.
That is actually hilarious. The freaking 2 bar. Bro went and coded the 2 bar. Anyone that asks, I'm just gonna start giving them the code. Just give everyone the 2 bar. More squadron coming in. Hello. Good morning, sir. How's it going, man? Thanks for coming.
Of course.
All right, so 2 days ago, my laptop froze up. I made a trade, and I was unable to set my stop loss and hit my daily loss. And well, don't let that happen again. Gotta always have hard stops set. Always have hard stops set. Always, always, always. Live from the Team Bull HQ. Live from the Team Bull HQ. Building our community in person, too. What's up, Mr. Gene? Listening to the live on my way to the HQ right now. Nice. Rose double dipping. That's what's up. Am I bearish? No, I'm Jacob. The ultimate dad joke. The ultimate one. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. It's time for some DOD on the day. Time to turn that red week into a green one. Yep. Any account giveaway? Not right now. Hopefully we don't just chop. We're in that range. We are in that range that I don't necessarily love being in. So we'll see what they end up giving to us today. Do not forget Asian levels. That's why you're the GOAT. That's why you're the GOAT. I don't even have my indicator up. I didn't have any of it up. Now I got all of it up. Now we got the whole deal up. Morning, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Top of the day. It's time. It's time for us to execute greatness. I'm going to put my TD Ameritrade up today, too. If the market's just chopping on the indices, I'll just look at some individual stocks. DOD forever. Let's go.
Got a few different versions. Colors, everything. It's a little thicker than I normally like, but
Thank you for the invite. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the squad. Cruz, good morning. Good morning, fam. Hopefully you guys all did your homework, went and watched the new You to the Tube video. That was your homework. Everyone's crypto pumping. It is pumping. Feels good. The bags are slowly going up. Hey, locked. Oh, yeah. Probably can't have much luck opening the door if it's locked. This week has sucked for price action. You know, it's just been a little trickier with the range we're in. I mean, the daily chart says a lot of it. Hey, where's the Team Bull shirt at? Wow. Showing up out of uniform.
It's like the real big cut tank.
Yeah. Oh, show off the guns.
It shows a lot of skin, you know.
Let them know. Flex on us. Flex on us. Let us know. You don't like New York session. What is that? Oh, is that one of those portable? You got the 3 monitors connected? That's dope. Damn. Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Hey, Gene, will you give this to... Oh. That lid is off. It's not good. Didn't spill it.
It's like playing a video game that I'm used to playing.
Give this to Grandma, please. It's a little wet. I know. Do we have any cold water? Why is every crypto exploding? Well, Trump had mentioned that he was going something about the federal government buying crypto reserves or something. And it just might be that time of the year. Pumps, it goes up, it goes down. Does a lot of stuff. Let's see. Host panelists. Nice. All right.
I think 2 weeks in a row. Yeah, last Friday. He's in school now.
Yeah, I wanted to show him the Lambo. When he has a break, I'll bring it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or bring it. Do you ever take him to the car meets?
Yeah, I usually do. I didn't know about that one last week on that speed
Oh, yeah, that was great.
there was a lot of Lambos there.
That was a great meet.
Yeah. But yeah, I usually take them to grab a coffee and like the village out there. What did you guys like? No, there's one that's like is it technically in
Don't believe. Don't believe.
Aspen Grove, like shopping center?
Yep.
If you grab a coffee there.
There's they use that place a lot.
Yeah, that's usually a good one too. Because that's usually sponsored by Ferrari. Then there's the one at it's like off of 470 and Highland Ranch. It's the old like the old dealership.
Village Auto now.
That's the one.
Yep. Banger Friday. That's right. It's time. It is time. These young bucks. Coming from the OG himself. That's great. Am I entering in high sweep long? What? I want a nice trend entry or a demand bounce or supply reject. That's what I'm looking for. Keeping it simple, man. Keeping it simple. It's more high quality. Keep it up. Thank you. Been trying to put out the best education that I can. We got 15 minutes until our market open. You guys all get out here and get anyone need anything? Water? Flavored water? Dose of DOD? Don't blame. Don't blame. Go by, hey, in a pre-market trade? No pre-market trade. Not a whole lot. Not something I take super often. Did I end up trading yesterday? No. It's been a very slow day for me. Or a slow day. So far slow day. It hasn't even started. But a slow week. Do I know what happened to NVIDIA in pre-market? I have not looked at any individual names or stocks or... We got a little bit of a sell-off. I mean... Oh, it was aggressive yesterday and then push up. Looks like an earnings or news or something that ended up being fake or overreaction. It's odd. We're back in the shop area. Unfortunately, we are. No lies told, unfortunately. Unfortunately, you are right, my friend. Did I end up trading yesterday? No. Where's everybody at? Got to get everyone here. You guys all awake? Wakey, wakey, come on. It is OPEX today, I believe, as well. I'm doing great, Cammy. Thank you for asking. How are you doing? We're going to catch a banger today, hopefully. If not, we're going to stay consistent. Consistent in either no trades or keeping our losses small. We had a decent push up overnight. Decent push up from yesterday, too. Previous day high. This area actually doesn't look bad for a bounce like this. Asia high, pre-market low. No, I'm great. I'm great. Maybe it's my mic. Let me make sure my mic is the right one. Huh. Output audio. Huh? No, mic's good. Dream alone. You should be able to see my screen. Yes, yes, yes. Huh, just a black screen. That's so odd. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It's very odd. Let's see if I can reshare it. How about that? It'd be bugging sometimes for no reason. For no reason, it just starts bugging. You are working good. Good morning. Happy birthday to your mom. Thank you. Yeah, Mama's birthday today. So hopefully we're going to get today's our trading day out early. Or ideally, we get done early. And then we go from there. Please, no consolidation. Yes, please, no consolidation. That is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping not, man. I slept great. I slept like 7 hours. Nope, I slept great. It's just the lighting. I slept great. I slept fantastic. I prefer 8, but honestly, I can operate on like 6. Give me 6, I'll be fine. I wanna be where you are.
We've been to 8 concerts this year.
Wow.
Crazy.
Go to the Vail one?
Yeah, I went to
Nice. That's dope.
Vail half marathon.
That's dope.
Yeah.
How was Vail at? How was Vail up there?
Vail is crazy. Man, I like going to do venues up there. Millennium just announced his show up there.
I seen that on the I guess announced show
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Let's go, everybody. Where's everybody at? Why are our numbers so low this morning? Where's everybody at? Come on. Wake up. Everyone's sleeping. Everyone's sleeping, man. Come on, wake up. Get that energy flowing. Worst stream last night. I heard would have filled by Jdun and thought I was on NQ instead of I bought 5 micros of silver and blew the account in 0.2 seconds.
What's that? Yeah, it's got to be. No, it's free.
Oh, I know, but I was on the line.
My mom's also.
Yeah, I was green last week, and this week I've had one trade, which is red.
Giving birthday.
But I don't want signal bots anyway. If you want to come copy trades every day, then they're not going to win anyway, you know?
We're celebrating.
Small losses and big wins, baby. I mean, honestly, I could just go the route of the usual streamer, just call out like 4 trades, promote the winner. Maybe that's the way to do it. Yep. Well, I mean, you can copy anyone you want, technically speaking, but I'm just saying long term your best bet is to learn yourself and not copy anybody, whether it's me or the next guy or next girl or whoever. Whoever it may be. You know what I mean? Because then you'll never have actual confidence. You can go copy anyone you want. Let's get it. Let's get it. Live trading. Let's see, post. What if you love to get milk and Marlboro Reds? You never come back. We need a new mentor. I'm saying, gotta put the team bull shirt on to make sure we catch a banger. That is true. That is true. That is facts. That is facts. All right, we got 5 minutes until open, everybody. 5 minutos until market open. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. I'm ready to catch, hopefully, a heater. And if not, to end the week on at least a good simple note. Tesla over 250 is the gap fill. Tesla did have a big move up. I mean, honestly, that's right. If we do keep pushing up, we had a nice gap up on Tesla last night. If you look at the daily chart, I love names that have big gaps above and relative strength. So if we can get some strength, that actually looks pretty good for upside. Am I going to trade live? Yep, I am, for sure. That's great, Hangman. Man, I trade live. You bet. Let's go. How's the dog? He's doing all right. Not a lot of progress.
Yeah, it's just a business.
Yeah, it's just a business.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. 5 years ago, I did.
How's the app progress? It is approved. We just got to launch it. So it's good. Yeah, we're thinking like maybe Monday. We were thinking maybe Monday.
So yeah, we just do all the processing stuff.
Jdun. Yes, that's right. Let's get it.
We're about to watch a card right here.
We start a win streak today. Team Bold new HQ. So that's not the building that I'm buying. I'm going in on a commercial building. But Team Bold new HQ is in the works too. That is also in the works. How much coin you made today? I've made no coin today because the market's not even open yet. Come on. All right, guys, let's go. We got 2 minutes until open. That being said, I appreciate all of you guys being here, trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. Let's get it. You almost interrupted the prayer again, Gizzard Glock. What's up, man?
What's up?
Welcome in. So appreciate y'all being here. We're going to start our day by praying and blessing our days. Heavenly Father, thank you so much for waking us up and giving us another day to chase our dreams, to chase a better version of ourselves, and to chase health, happiness, and peace. We pray for clear minds, strong hearts, and the discipline to make the right choices. Please help us focus on what we can't control and trust you with what we cannot control. Father, we pray for health for ourselves, for our friends, family, for our loved ones, and our strangers around us who we don't know what battles they are fighting. Please help us keep us focused, keep us grateful, and moving with purpose today. In God's name we pray for a great trading day and a great end of the week. Amen. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're ready. Let's have a solid end of the week. Let's have a great end to the week and a great day in general. Great end to the week and a great day in general. Let's make it happen. You got anything you're watching today, Grizzly Glock? Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. I'll tell you what I am watching. I would love to see a nice hold of this 400 to start. It actually looks good from yesterday. We had a decent amount of resistance turn support yesterday in the zone, like 450 to like 400. So we'll see if we hold this. We can hold this, maybe work our way back up. But we're still in that range. Volatility's low. VIX is low. So we'll see what they end up giving us. We'll see what we get. You guys all set up here? All right, nice. Let's go. Perfect. Set up, ready to go. How's everyone's morning going? Guys ready to make a bag? $75 to fill up. Make sure to be Honda. Why am I boiling mad? Well, we got to make you some money trading. Yep, no gambling allowed. Not here. Not here, my friend. I am at the Team Bowl office. Yes. That should give us a banger. Should give us a banger. Hoping so. We'll watch what we get at the our key levels around here. 15-minute high, 15-minute low. It is not full port Friday. No. That's not what day it is. Find a nice winning trade. I am. Why? My mic sound different? Yep. Yep. Yeah, I don't know if my mic sounded different or something. But yep. Yep. Down at 945. It is also OPEX. That is correct. That is also correct. That is also correct. Something to watch out for. We got our whole Christmas tree of stacked key levels, too. Let's see. Kind of shout. Good morning. Good morning. Let's find a nice trend day. Hopefully the system can pay us today. That's what I'm hoping for. Check. Like. I do have some accounts to give away today, so that'll be exciting. That I have to give away because they expire on Monday. 600 thumbs up. Oh, Gene or someone.
What's that?
You got more company. Yes. What's up, bro? You wore the uniform?
Of course.
Nice. Bro wore the uniform. He understood the assignment. Bro understood the assignment at the Team Bowl HQ.
I'm wearing my Team Bowl tank top at the gym, but it's like I'm not used to wearing tanks. So if you like me to come over here with them.
You don't lose the office therefore you full port. That's a little risky. It's not pressure at all. Not even a little. Would you recommend copy trading 5 Lucid Daily accounts since they're on sale? Someone who just started trading less than a month ago? No, I'd probably just stick with one. Probably be smart and stick with just one until you can get a payout. Otherwise, you'd rather blow one at a time than 5, you know? That's just reality. I'd rather blow one at a time than 5. Keep your risk smaller. Yes, I mean, ideally you blow 0.
I've blown my last account.
Yep. Never again. The win streak starts today, right? If I never traded, should I just copy all your trades? I mean, I guess you can. No one's going to stop you. I'd recommend you learn. Probably be a good idea to learn, but, you know. As a reminder, make sure if you haven't already, you check out teambull.com. Teambull.com for all your prop firm comparison needs and finding your fit before you fund with your hard-earned money. Teambull.com is the #1 place to compare firms and get funded with any of our partners. Today is OPEX as well, everybody. We do have OPEX today, which can lead to choppier action or more erratic action. I got a feeling we're going to catch a banger today, though. I'm feeling good about today. As a reminder, this is one of your last days to get that 50% off with Take Profit Trader, too, everyone. 50% off and 3-day eval instead of 5. 50% off. Ends on Sunday. So if you want at least one account to carry into the next week, Make sure you tap and use code Jdun. Yeah, I've noticed that you do not enter while price is inside the New York range opening box. I rarely don't. Well, and look at the daily chart, guys. Let's catch a winner. Right, tired of this freaking daily range, man. And August is just traditionally slower and more erratic. Unpredictable. I was telling you guys that before August even started. It was going to be a little sketchy. Nice. Yep, ripped it at the open. Yeah, August is tough. It's a little tougher. Let the trend be your friend. Purchased a Lucid 50K with code Jdun yesterday and blew it this morning. How'd you blow it this morning? Market just opened. Come on. Good day. First time here. Welcome. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you coming to join us. DOD. I appreciate you being a part of the fam. God is good. That is right. Every day, RT, I'd love for you to come every single day. The darn dopamine, it'll get you. It will get you, unfortunately. Oh, DOD in my blood, DOD in my veins, discipline in my blood, my veins. Helping me get my capital gains and stay away from my previous trading pains. I'm just getting money and staying in my own lanes. That's right. Are you ignoring me? I'm not ignoring anyone. Please answer my 15 questions. Pre-market's based on 4 a.m. Eastern Time. After 4 a.m. Eastern Time, the highs and the lows for New York session. For New York session, the highs and the lows. Been swing trading options for 4 years and wanted to start doing props on the side because of the ROI, and your strat clicked instantly. Nice. The indicator I use is called Grizzology. Just the one I like, one I use. We're also live at the Team Bull HQ today. Got people trading live with us in person, hanging out, having a good time, and being a part of the fam. You love to see it. Building community in person with our trading too. Have to stick to your discipline. Yep. All right, we got one more candle in this 5-minute. I got a feeling we're going to catch a banger today. It is OPEX, so it is a little higher risk to see chop, but I'm optimistic. We're staying optimistic. It's been a very slow week. Very slow week for my trading, but you know, I don't look at a week or even a month and decide, you know, for a lot of you guys that are learning, time to panic. I look at the market and I say, all right, well, how can I survive until conditions are favorable for me? And look at this daily chart. It's just been chop. I mean, sure, there's been opportunity to make money. There is every day. Doesn't mean that it's good opportunity. It just means there's opportunity. Like this daily is, oh no, I want D. I want D. I don't want some D. If you look at this daily, we're right back in this range. Hopefully we can break this down, but we're right back in the range. So we'll see. I'm optimistic. And then our front office is like, nope, let's just give everyone away. Let's just do nothing.
Because even here, like, you can buy tickets for less than it costs. If you want to go to a game.
I mean, courtside season tickets, that's like a big number.
Yeah. Even like third row, second row, just got power races. So just buy when you want to go to the game.
I agree with that. Wholeheartedly.
Yeah. I talk about the clients for a long time. It's great, you know, it's great for legitimism, but I love the basketball. So.
Me too, man. It's the best.
One of my bucket list, I want to go to half season tickets 1 year. I gotta do it.
42 games.
One of my missions for this year.
I'm still too sad talking about Yeah.
It's insane, Tyler. They're just doing us dirty.
No, for sure. Ticket prices going up. Yeah.
Missed the prayer. Can we get another? I pray for Q-Cub. Q-Cub, all his friends, family, loved ones, and the ability to stay strong in your losses and humble in your wins, and having a great day and weekend full of safety, health, and happiness. Amen. All right, guys, 15-minute range is in. We got a grip of stacked key levels. A grip of stacked key levels up near this 400 area. So we'll see how we react when we go up there. Potential for a short within the range. Not my favorite setup I've ever seen. Also, not my least favorite I've ever seen. So we'll see how we react when we go up to this big clump of key levels. Right in here. See if price can confirm something for us to the downside. Or if we can build above them and get a potential move to the upside. Thoughts on Netflix stock? No thoughts. I don't know. I just don't have any thoughts. I'm gonna use the restroom quick and I'll be right back. Woo! Doing good back here?
I was stupid trading for them. Last year, 2 weeks ago, there was a banger trade, and I messed up, like, just mechanically. I had traded him at 9 usually 2 times, and I went ahead and player, right, it was still making me, like, increments of 2.
Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Oh, man. You got scared? What's going on?
And I didn't notice that the picture didn't go, and then
It's good, it's good.
Oh, there you are. But you're sleeping.
No, I was just chilling right there.
Sweet. In the bin. It is OPEC. So if I don't take a trade today, I will end this week. I will end this week red. If I don't end green today, I will end this week red. I will have showed up every day and lost money. Could you handle that? Can you handle a red week? Are you willing to handle red weeks? If you want to make money trading long term, you better be able to. You better be able to. Better be able to take it. You got to live by the sword, you die by the sword. You feel me? Bro, I pee like 5 times a stream. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing that ever says that you won't have a red month, you know? This rate, I'd have a red August. I haven't had a red month in a long, long time. But again, I'm not immune to it. It's possible. Trading inherently is very hard. Your job is to stay disciplined. That's why I tell you guys when you join these streams every day. That's what I want to help you with. We did that PMI and it didn't really do anything. Didn't do a whole lot for us on that PMI. Ever tried Spider-Man workout? No. Any of you guys get that Top Step Lab 3 drop? Any of you guys trying those? I was thinking about trying some too, just for fun. It's like you make 3K. You have to make 3K twice. And the second time, you make 3K, you keep it. Yeah, kind of cool. And it's a static drawdown. A lot of you guys like static drawdowns. Five pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 15 squats, as many cycles as you can crank out in 20 minutes. Short and sweet, but very tough. I like that. The stock Jdun's is pumping. Almost Jdun's. Should I have a stock? Is there an instant funding prop that's worth it? Instant funding is tricky. Because the consistency is typically very low. That's the problem. Trying not need a banger. All right, let's find one. Hopefully we don't just chop. We'll see how we do in our first 30-minute range, too. We can get some sort of expansion. See our range, have a break of structure, some sort of move. I will say finding out Jdun and being in the Discord has helped me tremendously. Community matters. Amazing, Delaney. That's great. Gonna take any trades, Grandma? You gonna take any trades? At least she can hear me. She's like half deaf sometimes. No trades for her. How can you start? You're in the right place to learn. You're in the right place to learn, my friend. ever not been paid out before? No. No getting greedy. Best trading firms to begin with funded accounts. Find all of our partners and best firms at teambull.com. You can compare firms too. Yep, best place. Team Bull comparison tool. Team Bull comparison tool said apply for a job at Costco. It's crazy.
Here's your best goal. Stay away from trading.
Said stay away from trading. Go to Costco. Go to Walmart.
I don't know, man. Like, I've had pretty good jobs. I think that's right. We were like, shopping, Costco, helping customers find something they didn't really know. Like, for great benefits, and like, it's not just like that. Like, I am aware. Like, my fallback is going back to
This could give us a nice downside setup potentially. I haven't seen that SRT3, but I'm always open to looking at new tools. I know, nothing. I was hoping we get a pullback into that 400 area. Yep. Knew you don't chase. Knew you don't want to go work at Costco. Nothing wrong with Costco. You'd rather be in a tire shop than a legal department again. Right here at Asia Low. We don't. Man, that's tricky. The orb is technically valid, but we had this wake up at Asia Low and closed right near the 50%. I don't love when we close that close. If you wanted to try the orb, you could try like 314 with stops at 344. But I don't love this this wick we had there. It's not ideal with a traditional orb setup, especially on a day like OPEX. But if you want to try, it'd be like 314, 310 to like 315. Call it that. Yep, like 310 to 315 would be the area. If you did want to try the orb. Nope. We'll see. Didn't even get to where I would have wanted to try it either, but 310 to 315 almost got up there. That said, if you did try it around 310 to 315, well, at least with 30 points of risk, 34 points of risk, you'd like to see like 30, 40 points worth of move down. I did not try it. I'm a little skeptical with this bounce off Asia Low. Yeah, we'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If you like the orb, this is the area to take it in. The 310 to 315. Yeah, I don't like that we bounced this Asia Low. I don't love wicking above a key level like that, but it could be valid. Could work. Very well. Very well could. Didn't quite have 50% of that candle wick, but it wasn't far off. See, like 35 points a wick on a 90-point candle. So not quite half, but a little bit. Rome Ryan is back. Let's go. Yeah, if that Asia low wasn't there, I would have been a little more interested in trying it, even with that wick up at the end. But with that said, I'd like to see us break this again, fail, and then we could target like previous day low. We're below all of our other key levels, so we don't really have a whole lot else that we can work with. Would have loved to have seen a pushback up here. I love those stat key levels to come and retest for an overall trend. Where's the stop? If you took a 310 area reject, I personally, taking that, would put my stop at like 345. That's where I would have my stops, like 310 down to 270. It's got about 1-to-1 on that push down. Nothing crazy, but a little 1-to-1 action, something light. Oh, you can hear all the noises I make in this mic. It's crazy. You can hear all the little clicks and stuff on this mic at the office. I forgot about that. All right, guys, let's go. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe. I want one nice trend move. That is it. Worse than Metallica. That's it. Now we're putting on the Metallica. There's no choice now. I'm gonna blare some Enter Sandman. There's not. That'll give us a good trade. Come on. Why don't I like this setup? Because we're bouncing Asia low, potentially making higher low here off that Asia low again, and pushing up. So doesn't mean it won't work. It could. It's also OPEX just being a bit more cautious. A bit more cautious. And where's everybody at today? Sleeping. Come on. Come on, baby. For all you guys that are here, I appreciate you being here. Following DOD, trading smart, trading safe. Trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. What's up, my dog? What's up, bro? OPEX is the expiration date for options contracts. Lots of options can expire at the same time, therefore potentially leading to choppiness or sporadic moves in the overall market. Doesn't always mean you're going to have choppy days. I'm not saying, oh, it's OPEX, you can't trade, but it's just something you got to watch out for, you know? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Got to watch out for it. Yeah, Asia's been all right. Gene likes trading Asia. Gene likes trading Asia a lot. I'm funded 5x and traded 5. One banger today means a $4,500 payout. Let's see an A+ setup here. Let's hope so. Okay. Monster in hand, nice. We might end up getting this orb retest too. You know, if you took it up here, then your stop would have just had to been 345, and maybe you get low a day here. My ultimate goal while we're in this range during August is just simply survive. Catch base hits. catch a really nice trend trade here and there, and really focus on my system, focus on A+ entries, and just staying alive, surviving the chop, not forcing a million trades. That being said, hopefully this can give us a nice trade. It looks like our volume is going to be decent. Orb is potentially working out right here. We'll see. It's just over 1-to-1. If you guys did participate in the orb, this would be likely the spot to trim or at least put stops to break even if I were trading it. Don't say a word.
No, it's like break even. I end up losing like 100 on it, but compared to what it opened.
Crazy Marseille. Why didn't I trade it? There's a few reasons. We had a lot more wick off of Beige Low than I would have liked. We haven't seen a ton of reaction quite yet, but even if we get this move from here to here, I'd rather see an overall better trend move. I'd love to catch a really nice trend today. Am I in a trade? No, I am not in a trade. Still nothing. We're bouncing Asia low. Third time. Third time bouncing that Asia low. So, I mean, if you did take that orb, you would have gotten 1-to-1. Not a ton as far as clean trend yet, but been too choppy this last week for me. Not much follow through. Taking the money today. Nice. It's all right. Potential higher low forming too off this Asian low as well. I wish we had a bit more volume. After this next 15-minute candle, we should be able to see hopefully a little more clear setup. I still like this area up here, this 400 area for shorts. This is we got a big wall of potential sellers sitting there. Big wall of potential sellers. Don't. I'm going to get a crazy good workout today, too. Win, lose, draw, we're getting a crazy workout. Can we do Tesla Fridays? I have my individual names up. I do have them up for sure. We're pumping. Oh my gosh, we're pumping on Tesla. I didn't even realize that. And not only that, that is crazy. Look at that orb. Textbook orb. I bet this was a nice 2-bar too. Or just probably missed, actually. Yep, just missed the 2-bar area. That was my main setup on a watch as far as individuals go. I bet those options have moved crazy too. Let's see how those 360 calls have moved. And 360 calls went from there. Wow, $30 to $250. Yup. Come on, baby. Give us one A+ setup. One A+ setup. That's all it takes. Brandon made a bag on Tesla today, I bet. I mean, honestly, I wasn't even watching it. Otherwise, that would have been money bags. There's a lot of money in individual names. There's a lot of money there. You guys used to see me do it every day.
Alright, people. We're gonna work the 390 short. We'll watch the 390 for short. 390 for short.
I like that area too. 400.
Yeah, 390. I tried to not stop like a 5-minute pause above 420. Give it a little wiggle room, not too much. Just so we can even get up there. Not looking like it.
Yeah, that Tesla went crazy today. That was my main watch. What?
Did you catch a trade on Tesla?
No, I was watching it this morning. I just looked back and it exploded. The reason I liked it so much was you had that pre-market strength into a massive daily gap. I think it can still going to like can keep going still to like 370, but strength into a daily gap to the upside. Literally just textbook money bag setup. We used to trade those all the time. I actually think it could still be in play today. Yep. It could definitely be a sip for sure. A stock in play. It's definitely got that potential. We are almost 45 minutes in, guys. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And choose discipline over cheap garbage dopamine. What are you trading in time frame? The NASDAQ, 5-minute. NASDAQita is what we call her. 5-minute time frame. Yep, NASDAQita 5-minute time frame. That's right. Thank you. Morning, how to trade. I just want to follow along. Nice. Apex PA is cheeks. It can be. Or OPEX. Yep, it can be. It can be not ideal, but it's not always that way. I'm optimistic we'll find a nice trade. Right now, until we break above this 340, still completely short bias, and even then, I'd still like to see that like 400 area. reject. We got a lot of different walls there for potential rejection if we move up. A lot of different potential there for sure. As far as like a stock like Tesla goes, for anyone, I know we do have some options traders here. I'd like to see a move back to like the 50% retracement of the day. So like 350-ish area. This 2-bar is potentially in play. We're getting some pretty serious buying, so we'll see. As far as NQ goes, I'd like to see a 5-minute close below, higher volume. If we get that, then that could be in play as well for continuation down. We'll see how this 15-minute looks like. It's going to be lower volume too. Maybe this candle gives it to us. Maybe it gives it to us. We'll see. It was my last trade on, what was that, Wednesday, and it was a loser. This could give us something here, guys. This could potentially give us lower high setup. I'd be willing to try that on a retest. Try this on a retest up for shorts with a stop loss on this trade. Let's see, that would be like 290, 300 with stops at like 330. That could work. We'll see. Early entry is like 275. That might be a Asia low. It's just a bit higher risk. 275 to like 290. Hey. You for trading? Oh, Gene, can you open the garage door? So I said, you here for trading? Nope, someone's here to work on a garage door at the office. What? I was like, hey, you want to come trade? Come on, man. I figured even at the early entry, it wouldn't hit 275. You have to move the car?
That might be a good idea.
The lamb chop? All right, Gene's gonna steal the Lambo. All right, guys, I'm watching for a piece of shorts, ideally at this 50% retracement area. Early entry could be Asia low. It's just a lot higher risk with how high this candle is. 75 to 325, like 50 points of risk. But I do like the shorts. It hasn't been giving us as deep of pullbacks lately. I just like seeing deeper retracements, man. It just hasn't been giving them. very close. I was kind of worried that we had all these wicks down here, this Asia low. This could be it. I mean, you could say you gotta adjust. Well, I mean, it's only been 2 weeks of kind of the edging, you know? If you look at the market from a monthly perspective, I guess, but I look at it from a, you know, quarterly, yearly, long term. So even if I don't get an entry for a week straight, it's like it doesn't matter to me. Setups there beautiful. Yeah, if you like more risk on your trades, for sure. I think it could be. I think they're all right. This orb was decent minus this wick up, and then this potentially will work out nicely. I would rather seen a bit more retracement up, but so far it's working all right. What's up, big dog? Damn, Gene's and Gene stealing the Lambo. Damn, this is what I wanted to see. Just a little higher. Why is it doing that? Quit doing. Oh, Gene turned on my car, so it disconnected. Connected to the Bluetooth. So where'd the music go? Don't know, don't. That was close. I mean, it wasn't bad. It just would have been a lot of risk there. So, we'll see. Is FOMO good? No, I would not say FOMO's good. What's up, dog? Dun, 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 dun. The lamb chop. Yes, let's see. Hey, if you like the trade, take it. You don't. I'm not your dad. You don't gotta get my permission to trade. I say that. Oh, while we're in this range, I'm just gonna be patient. I'm chilling. I don't need the money trading. Like that's the best. That's when you will trade your best, when you don't need the money. If you need the money every day, and you go, oh, I have to make money, I have to trade. Well, you're not going to trade very well. You're going to continue to have small wins and big losses. I just be chilling. Like if I like a trade, I'll take it. If not, I don't. Especially in August. You know, why do you think a lot of fund managers, people that trade 100 times more than everyone here combined, go on vacation in August? Why do you think that's a thing? Think it's just random? It's just the lowest volume, like historically the choppiest. But according to Babe Magnet 45 on the internet, you need to trade every day. And you got to trade 250 days a year. Jdun, you must trade every day. I'm telling you, if you don't trade daily, you are a scammer. Tesla is pulling back.
Got a quick scalp on it. Made like 200.
Nice. Let it pull back. Give us the 50% retracement's like 353.
Next week I'm gonna start futures.
Nice. That's dope.
Only done options today. It's a big learning curve. Was waiting for all the classes and whatnot. Really go in educated.
Yep. Best way to do it.
Some quick in and outs.
Day trader, not every trade trader. That's right. I mean, there's been some scalping, like, you know, even here. 280 down to 220, 60 points. But the risk here, let's say you probably got entered at 275, risk to 330. It was just over 1-to-1. So again, another scalp, which is fine. You can be profitable 1-to-1. I'll be the first one to say that, you know? You can be very profitable at 1-to-1, but I'd like to see some bigger moves, ideally. Stay patient, guys. If you see a trade that's A+ and fits your system, then take it. If you don't, then don't take it. Was good. Let's see. Got to push right up to that 50% retracement after rejecting here, so we will see if we can get any sort of continuation that is not just slight lower lows. I like to see a nice, solid push down. This doesn't look horrible for shorts still, but also doesn't look like the best setup I've ever seen. If you did take shorts, you'd want to target that previous day low. Am I looking for a short? Yes. I'm too tall. I need some short to balance out my life. On your team bowl or just a bunch of casuals? Nope. Everyone here is in team bowl. Yep. Video capture. Let's see here. And every day. Talking about taking August off, that might be why Monterey Car Week is mid-August. Yeah, they're all traders. They're all traders, that's why. No, but for real, that's why a lot of fund managers take August off. That's why it's a known thing in the market. Just slower. Doesn't mean you can't make money. Doesn't mean there's not good setups. It's just traditionally slower. So even this setup up here would have been what's it called? Just a 1-to-1. We have a live chat. It's just paid. It's premium. Gotta pay for the premium, baby. Gotta pay for the premium. Cup of coffee a day. Jared Tendler 2 times a month. You kidding me? I pay $2,000 a month just for that. Just for that. 100+ hours of recorded education and counting. Is September any better? Traditionally speaking, yes. The phrase September sells exists for equities. I like trading shorts, so historically speaking, whoops. Historically speaking, market goes down, but we'll see how it goes. Doing the gun show strats. Let's see. As I can go. All right, guys, let's see what this 5-minute chart gives. Maybe a reversal. What's up, Mr. Gene? What up, what up, what up? Took the orb and made 3K across 5 accounts. Done for the day. Thanks, Jdun and DOD. Nice, Malibu. Let's go. Let's see. Tesla does have strength today. I'm watching it. We're making new highs on those contracts, too. Aggressive new highs. Not even just a little. Aggressive new highs. I was hoping we get that pullback down to that 50% retracement. We got close. We got to 355. 50% retracement of the day was at of the high to, let's see, of the high to previous low, it was like 353. Tesla's going bananas. Those contracts started out on that breakout at like $25 a piece, all the way up to 300. That's a win. That's what makes me want to go back to trading individual names. You just got to know what you're doing with option premiums and such if you're going to trade individuals. I haven't traded an individual stock future yet. They didn't have a lot of volume before. So. Don't know. Any idea when Vanquish will be having another sale? I have no idea. I couldn't tell you. When will you start back trading Tesla again? I mean, I've been watching it. I would have, had we gotten that 50% retracement down to like 353, I might have tried it. We still have a lot of room to the upside as far as that gap goes, for sure. Fortune trading days in my funded. I was $35 for my first payout on Friday. Yep, it happens. Hey, come in bashing premium. It's not worth it. This and that. Well, go find somewhere that is worth it for you then, you know? That's why 80, almost 90, 88% of people stay for at least a year. Fun fact. Only a cost of a cup of coffee a day. And if you don't like it, just stay in the free streams. You know, there's something for everybody. There's free value. There's so much free value for everybody between the TikTok, the YouTube, the Tube. And then, of course, if you want to join Premium and Team Bull, you get access to the chat. You get access to Jared Tendler, all the other fun stuff and valuable stuff we have. Sorry to hear that, Zulu. Yeah, no one else gives that much free game. All right, let's see. Yes, we don't support people who hate on streams. They are losers. That is correct, but we still want to see them win. Not a good way to live your life, for sure. Anyone who goes and causes drama or hates on another grown man or woman, and that never comes from above. That being said, you got to pray for your haters. Got to want a better life for people who wish negative upon you, for sure. Got to wish for a better life for them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First time going 3 weeks without blowing any accounts. Nice. That's amazing, David. That's great. That's a huge plus. That's a huge, huge, huge plus. You got it, Zulu. Come on, man. Team Bowl forever. Yes, sir. Put one for you.
So basically, you're doing options. I'm doing QQQ.
So let's see what we can get today. Come on. Any good card mates this weekend? I don't know. I don't really know until like Friday nights usually. I don't really look during the week. Not something I pay attention to actively, but maybe. I wouldn't mind going. I love card mates. It's almost the end of the season too. All right, let's see what we can get in terms of a trend. We have lowering volume on this push up. We also have lowering volume on the sell candle, so we'll see. We will see what they give us. Right now, we're stuck between the 30-minute low, Asia low, 15-minute low. I still like, if we can get a pop-up, shorts up in this area. It's a ways away. I still like it, though. Because it finally pulled again, it may not have any more gas in the tank. It could. I mean, the gap says it can. We'll see. So sketchy, I'm not taking it. Yeah, we'll see. See if Tesla can get back to that 50% retracement. I still like it. In terms of the daily, it looks good. We'll see how we react when we get down to this 50% retracement. We'll see. If you support Team Bull, then we're good. I thought you were saying if everyone's Team Bull, then why don't we do this? Your premium's not worth it. But if you're not hating, we're cool, man. So if I misunderstood what you said, I love you and I'm sorry. If you are hating, I'm sorry you're living that life. It's not a good life to live, man. I promise you. I see a lot of people. I see it all the time. People are like, oh, I was a hater. I was mad at my own trading, this and that. And then I figured it out and chose DOD and I'm sorry. It's like, it's okay. We're good, you know? Just don't be hating on other people, man. We don't do that. It's not cool. If you don't like something or you're having a bad day trading, don't take it out on somebody else. Trading's already hard enough. It's like Friday will be no different than the rest of the week. You have no trades for me yet, guys. It's OPEC, so I got about 30 to 45 more minutes, then I'm done. Then I'm donezo. We should have the app up as well soon, guys. It's approved. It's approved in the App Store. We just got to actually make it public. The app will be ready to go very soon. It is technically ready. We're just adding a few more things to it. don't. These Tesla option premiums are dying. Coco Trade said took massive losses this week in the chop. Going to take the weekend to regroup and self-reflect on preventable flaws I made. Have a blessed weekend. It's all right, man. Have a blessed weekend, bro. Better days ahead. Better days ahead for you, my friend. Better days ahead. That's why DOD is so important. We're not getting any follow-through on these moves. Like, yes, if you want to scalp, you can. There's always opportunity to make money. Doesn't mean it's good opportunity. Just means it's opportunity, you know? Doesn't mean it's good opportunity. It just means it's opportunity. Uh-oh, Nickelback's on. Let's go. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. We do this every single day live in real time. If you're on the TikTok, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. Appreciate you guys tapping in, hitting that like button, tapping the screen over and over, getting them likes moving, and hitting that follow in the top left corner. I'm also live on YouTube. We have the #1 live stream. We focus on strategy, system, and positivity every single day. So trade smart, trade safe. Appreciate y'all subbing, tuning in every day, making it a part of your daily routine, and coming in and contributing to the community. Let's go. Make sure you guys tap that like button. You guys hit the like. We got accounts to give away. I do have accounts that I have to give away later, everybody, so you know. Please do not blow up the chat. But I'm going to have some take profit traders to give away later. Yeah, Wes, no going on tilt today. Come over and be like, hey, don't do that. Hiding in the chair. What are you doing back there?
Forcing stupid trades, trying to make it back.
Yup.
That was because you would call out a random trade that morning. I made a mechanical error.
Just a huge error.
Yeah, I thought I had trimmed. My trim didn't go through because I had the wrong number of contracts. So I was copying three accounts, and I thought I had two.
Uh-oh.
I didn't even notice that my trim didn't go through, and then my green trade turned red, and I was just I sat back there and tried to force a couple trades and make it back, and then I'm like, actually, I did make a little cash.
Yep.
You walked over, looked at my screen, like, what are you doing?
Yep. What you doing back there? Where y'all checking in from today? Where's everybody trading here from today? Where's everyone checking in from? England? New Jersey. Nice. Germany. Ottawa, Canada. Arvada. Nice. Right up the road. You should be here at the office. Puerto Rico. Charleston, South Carolina. Central Florida. Pittsburgh. Vegas. Honolulu. Damn, I love Hawaii. It's one of my favorite places on earth. Mississippi. That's where Brandon's by. Yeah, where's Greeley at? University of Steel, Boulder, nice. Lincoln, hey, that's dope. Husker Town, that's right. Are we having fun yet?
You know, my dad did his finance job. He was like in public finance. So like some of his finance, one of them was Omaha Public Power District.
Nice.
And one time to his client's house in Omaha, he was like the director of OPPD. And
Damn.
House, and we had this basement that was all gym. It was amazing.
That's dope.
Like floor hockey with basketball.
Anything.
They had like the Huskers football schedule for the year, like pasted up on the wall.
I'll have to.
At the end, it just says major bowl game.
That's awesome. All right, guys, let's see. See what we can get everybody. Let's see. Maybe some sort of confirmation back to the upside here. It's possible. Up until like that 400. Youngstown, nice. LA. Have I taken anything? No. It's OPEX, and it's also middle of this range, but I'm not opposed to it. I mean, we basically had one move down on the first 5-minute candle. We've just basically chopped and had one-to-one moves. I definitely think it's gearing up to be possible to see a reversal here. This candle looks all right. We're still below the 15-minute low, but this looks all right above Asia low, and then breaking this like 30-minute low too. So we'll see. We'll see. You guys, no one is answering what? What do you need? Like guys, I'm gonna use the restroom again. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hello. What is up? What are you guys doing? Hello, Brandon. Brandon, tú cállate la boca.
Nice. Staying patient. I'd be drinking all the water, man. Tried it. We saw the yawn. But I appreciate you guys being here every day. If you're on TikTok, appreciate you hitting that follow button. Also appreciate you guys being on the YouTube, the Tube. I'm simultaneously live there. Appreciate you guys going over, hitting that sub, and joining me every single day. We have the #1 most valuable, positive live stream in the game. We don't focus on drama. We focus on coming in, being systematic, keeping losses small, being DOD, and winning winning in terms of our strategy. Not necessarily winning in terms of P&L. Not this week, at least. One red day, and then just patience the other days. Do I break down my trades every single one, baby? Yeah, we don't cuss either. No profanity on the stream either. No profanity on the screen, on the stream ever.
Doing a birthday party for your son this weekend?
Yeah, something little. He's only 3. His birthday's tomorrow. How crazy is that?
Crazy, right? That's fast. Time flies, huh? Yeah. Yeah, my son's in 6th grade already. It's just like, what happened?
They just freaking get big.
It's crazy. I picked him up from school yesterday and he gets in my car and he's just like, I was like, how's your day? He's like, freedom. I try not to say how was your day because like then you'll just go fine.
Right, fine, yeah.
So I'm like, so I'm like, well, it was challenging today. He was like, being bored. That sounds like school.
Try to open.
They're doing their job. It's
How old?
He's 11. 6th grader.
Yeah, that's probably where you get that answer.
Yeah.
My little girl's birthday is tomorrow too. That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
A good sign. Yeah.
Congratulations to you. That's great.
Anything fun? He has like a tech class. He's like, we're using 3D pens. It's like, and so it's an actual, it's like a 3D printer pen that like melts plastic and you can like
That's pretty cool.
design shit with it. He's all into that. And now they're doing like Tinkercad, like computer, just the design, and they have 3D printers in their lab.
Come on, come on.
Our stuff.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. I graduated high school in 1996. My typing class was on typewriters. Yeah. Nice.
I'd love to see price action continue in one direction. That'd be great.
Yeah, I know people tell me that,
That would be fantastic.
not from not smoking, not drinking.
Haven't seen a lot of it so far.
Yeah, well, it was from age 15. I was athletic. I played sports, played hockey, but I was like, used to play for the party. But I was, I played hockey, I snowboarded, I can't believe
I used DOD at a urinal while doing a random drug test for my job and made $300. Thank you for installing this confidence. You're welcome, bro. Love seeing you win on your tests and on your and on your trades. Come on, man.
It smells worse if you smoke in the past. You know? I stopped thinking about it 4 or 5 years ago. I feel like as soon as I stop smoking, if someone smokes near me, it smells worse now. You know? It's not just the smell.
Below. Call me crazy. It's actually looking decent. If we can get one more 5-minute push up, I'd actually favor the longs.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I don't judge anyone for
Favor the longs for a push back up. Potential retracement up to like 3.
everyone's where they're at. They're on their own path.
Point of control's up at like 360. But we have a big wall up here at like 400. Still around? Yep.
Neither of my parents were smokers, so it's
And nobody fell asleep watching this.
Nope.
never really see it. So I felt like I wish I could get away, so
You're like, where do you get that picture of me? And I'll post the AI version.
smoke like weed. I better smoke a cigarette. I'd rather get in trouble for that. Yeah. Dumbass.
Let me know about.
Just got her dabs. I know, doesn't make any scams, but this is making it right now. Cool.
Yeah, if only Quakes were around when we were kids.
I know, yeah. I was in trouble, man. Yeah, I had the East Coast shit. When I was in high school, like, mid-90s, you know, the dealership and
Oh boy, let's see. Look at this 1 minute chart. It's embarrassing for the Nasdaq.
Alright, I'm chasing this move down. I'm in.
What?
That's what I just did. I just full forwarded him down.
Full float chart? I'm not doing it.
Green contract, let's go.
I just did it. Oh.
You really
Yeah, it's there, dude. I mean,
if you follow the plan, it's
yeah.
Come on, baby. Do something. Right back in this freaking chop. And if you're trading the 1 minute, there is some scalping opportunity, I guess, but in terms of actual opportunity and trends, nothing. Just waiting.
That's what I was came over here and looked for, but I can't find it. I'm gonna do some research later.
You guys take anything today? Anyone in chat make any money?
so you take the contract.
Or I guess lose any money? I guess. Got to look at it both ways.
See what?
You guys take anything today? Hey, come on. Tap that thumbs up, baby. Come on. Made 50. Tesla options paid. They did pay. Honest, that was the one that got away.
Yes, here it is right here. No, send to a layout or a page. Whatever you can do.
Down 50, made $8.
But we're making progress.
No, dude, you can try it. Yeah, go ahead.
Made 7K. Nice. That's dope. Damn, that Tesla. I was hoping it came down to 353. Those contracts. So when I was watching them, were like $100 a piece, around 355. They're currently at 280. That's almost 200%. Crazy.
This is
And moves like today really make me want to trade more options and individuals for sure.
that's why I've been trying to switch.
Webull stock was up like 15% yesterday on their earnings.
Bowl.
Bull, they've been public for a minute.
Yeah, a hot minute. They've been public for a while.
When I first started trading options, I would like go into Thinkorswim and look for like, you know, high volume, like unusual
That's
market
DOD.
activity, look for really high volume versus open interest. And Bull was like it's pretty heavily traded in options.
Well, as long as you followed your plan, that's what I care about. I want you to follow your plan every day. That's what matters most.
But yeah, I didn't know how to charge
If you make a mistake and you correct it, that's what matters.
They were like at least like 10,000
Here comes the rooster. And that was textbook signs that we were going to bounce. I want to see us a little lower on that Tesla. Those are the old moves that used to freaking pay us big time. Woo!
You just gotta get the buy and sell So maybe now if you just do on paddle, you get like buy, sell, go on certain amount of charts. Maybe we go out and see.
I'm thinking maybe shorts around 348. Yeah. That's good. That's reassuring. Someone's got the same thought. I'm also just thinking about chasing this move up right now.
Don't do it.
I was thinking about chasing it down on the last one. That's the snipe. I'm a sniper in my sniper gear and my ghillie suit, just waiting for the push shot.
This doesn't look horrible for a long entry like 310. Doesn't look like the best thing I've ever seen with how price has been, but reverse orb, back above Asia low. Starting to look all right. Got a little Tesla 2-bar forming too. I got to back test the 2-bar on Tesla. See how that works out long term. This is the 50% retracement for short of the day. I'd still rather see higher. But let's see. You're right. It is 50% retracement of the day. Literally right here at 350. We just have so many key levels up here that, we could. I wouldn't say it would look horrible. If you tried to short this like VWAP and point and control 360, I think I'd rather just watch to see how we react at like pre-market low, Asia high, and all these key levels here. But you could work here for sure.
Out and about.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not.
Were you in the US right now?
No, it's really.
Australia? Oh, wow. Badass.
That's what I'm from.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure about 3 years ago, 10 years ago.
If we do get a trend move, it could reject early there. There's a little bit more risk, but it's possible.
The one you said texted me? Yeah, it's not easy. Just in time for me to be switching 5 officer in World War II when he was in Europe during
Tesla new high a day. Damn. New high in those contracts too. 380 a pop. That's crazy.
My wife was always telling them definitely. Not personal, not listening to you. Just curious.
Yeah. It's not selective.
You're just gonna need to speak up. Yeah. Physically.
$17. That's crazy.
Got used to it, man.
Whopping 17. Damn. Dinner's on you. Texas Roadhouse.
I was talking Tesla.
Oh, I thought you were saying P&L. Yeah, Tesla's going crazy.
105 millimeter.
Tesla's going crazy. We're kind of learning trading from the beginning. If everything goes as planned, the free course should be ready by Sunday. The free beginner course that I spent hours making, spent thousands of dollars having professionally produced for you guys. It has chapters. It's organized. It's really good. It's really, really good. Who's going to watch the free course, the free true beginner course when it comes out? Anyone going to spend 3-4 hours actually watching it?
Yeah. Yep.
Obviously not all at once. But yeah, it should be out very soon.
Yeah.
100% free, 100% valuable.
And it's with the
Yeah, no, it's beginner for sure. It's going to be nice when people approach me in public too. They're like, Jdun, I love your content. How can I learn to trade? This, here. I have a resource for you. It's great. Was scrolling Rails in some viral video, put you as a top 5 clip to help you master trading. That's awesome. Well, shout out them. It's very kind of them. All right, we're pushing with volume back into this previous resistance level. So we'll see how we react to like 400. Got to breach point of control first. Make your foot finder. That's private. I am potentially down for shorts around 400, yes. Potentially. I'm not saying it's going to touch 400 and I'm going to rip shorts, but there's a potential that I don't trading today. Haven't seen a lot of potential opportunity. I was watching for that retest of like 310 when we broke above that 15-minute low. We haven't really had any meaningful pullbacks on these trend-setting candle or reversal candles. When we don't have meaningful pullbacks, it's tough for me to short or long, vice versa, when we don't get that. Let's see. We will see. We will see. I need an entry signal, please. Yeah, free donuts for everybody.
Free diabetes.
right?
I'm not keto right now, so it's a tough thing. Nice spot in the block again.
What's it going to take to get another bull versus bear story at the office, man? I don't have all the masks. I got the bull mask. We can have the story of the bull, not so much the bear. You got to hit the like goals. Got to hit the like goals, man. You guys hit the like goals on YouTube Tube. We give away accounts. You guys haven't been hitting the like goals. Got to hit 500 thumbs up. We have literally right now like 1,200 people in here. So come on. Hit that thumbs up. We got 303 likes right now. Crazy.
I was so skinny my whole life.
Yep. So hit that thumbs up. Well, hit that like button, baby. Get to 500. We'll do giveaways in here. Don't hit the like goal. No giveaways. It's free to hit the likes. Yeah, I give accounts to my friends. I do give away accounts to the Team Bowl Premium almost every day.
Yeah, no, that's not.
8% body fat.
That is true. You guys hit the like goals though. Give away accounts here too. I mean, there was a few points. I would have potentially tried longs in this pullback here, or if we would have pulled back here, but both of those didn't give any pullbacks, so I didn't take anything. You know, no pullback, no trade. Yeah. No trade, scam.
You're scamming them in your free live stream, dude.
Yep. Scams.
We're so salty.
400, baby. Come on. Tesla's still pushing up. That's crazy. Stressla. That's how it can be sometimes, for sure.
When I first started day trading options, I would just do SPY, QQQ, and Tesla. And I don't know, for whatever reason, I would get overconfident with Tesla and decide way bigger than I did on my SPY and QQQ trades. And sometimes it was great, and sometimes it was options. It's so fast.
Be up 300 and then down 900
In
less than a second.
Exactly, it's so fast. It's crazy. That's why I call it Stressla. Yeah. Yeah, how many times I would like put in my order would be like first triggers OCO, so it's like the buy would fill, and I would immediately have a bracket in, and it would hit the stop immediately. Right.
10%, 10%. Yeah, that's the way it goes.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get this 400, guys. I'm watching.
I would get, I would set like.
I'm watching this 400 area. Still watch that for shorts. No cheap dopamine, not allowed. How long from off? 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Not going to stay on for as long as we have the last few days. Oh, crap. Excuse me. Woo! Thanks, guys. Potential 2-bar forming or happening right now, the second on Tesla. I don't like shorts right now. I said at 400 I'd watch. 400. That being said, if we just keep slowly grinding up, then not my type of trading day. Jdun, what's up, baby? What asset am I watching? I'm watching the NASDAQ and Tesla. Who's gonna finish up the Team Bowl app today? That should be fun. Make some updates to it. Add a few more things. And should be good to go, hopefully by Monday. Yeah, Apple approved it. Yep. Just got to finish a few more little things and we'll be good to go. Yep. Picture of Gene and a burrito for the landing page.
You set alerts on it, so like every 15 minutes, it shouts DOD.
Yeah, it pings you DOD to your phone.
Yeah.
Should do that too, huh?
Like max volume, no option of alert volume.
Just connect to your Apple Watch so that, you know, anything your blood pressure goes up during trading hours. You know?
Connection to Apple Watch is crazy.
That would be smart.
Where you're doing an active trade. Yeah, it's true. We've called 911.
On a regular broker, can you hold NQ contracts overnight and through the weekend? Yep. Yes, you can. Y'all still watch 400 area for shorts? I'm not saying it's guaranteed. I'm saying that that's what I will watch. For sure we'll watch.
No, I'm not. I'm not. What? I would, yeah. I'll trade like the first hour on Tesla. I don't think I would need the compelling setup.
Go away then, Team Bull. Nothing from me yet.
Yep. Come on, let's see. Choose DOD. We are almost 2 hours into the day. This is your reminder to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Hopefully we don't just chop in this 15-minute range. Tesla was the move today. That was the one that got away.
Wednesday morning, I was like, a bunch. Trade stupid, trade dangerous, and chose different moves. Last time I did that, trade stupid, trade dangerous.
Howdy, guys. What's up, fam? What's going on? What's up? Yeah, potentially like 400 area for shorts. 390, 400. That's what I would watch. It's my main watch right now. It's really my only watch. Do we get it? I don't know. But if we do, I'll potentially try it. Let's see. Don't. You guys take any trades here in person? How's everyone? How you guys doing in the crowd? Damn. Nice.
Just under 1,000. 49 times 20.
Nice.
Times 20.
Attaboy, DOD. That's right.
I didn't trust the trade on that. I moved the stop any profit right away. I'm glad I did because it would have gone the wrong way.
This actually doesn't look bad for a potential reversal spot with this candle here. I would have rather seen 400, but I mean, maybe you could have a low risk trade like 350 short with like 20 points of risk to 370. I'd still prefer to see 400, but could hypothetically work. Doesn't look horrible. Yeah, it's a little tricky.
What's that? Yeah, it's okay.
Let's flip the coin.
You just need less than something that's not. Yeah. Yeah. Better on the casino.
It is OPEX today, too. Oh, option expiration. Yes, there's lots of options expiring today. See how we react in here. I'm not fully on board quite yet. Still would rather see 400. This could be a potential rejection area. It's a bit higher risk. You got a few signs of it right here, but I'd still rather see that 400.
Yeah, it was, so that's been a little bit nice of this track. Yeah. Some pretty clean price action off the open. That's fun. Why don't you stay high with that for the first like hour or so? Yeah. So I got a couple different things here. I've got Brandon's indicator here that like plots supply and demand zones for you. This one.
See you, Grizzly Glock.
This one here.
Adios, Grizzly Glock.
Using ThinkScript. Yeah, so it's like in Thinkorswim you can program it in. So this one automatically plots pre-market IMO, stay high and low and 30-minute orb. It automatically process for me. It gives me an alert on a 30-minute orb break and retest.
Let's see if we get a push here.
It does the same thing. Gives you 30-minute orb, high and low, pre-market high and low. Actually, his pre-market high and low.
Potential. They might.
High and low. And mine's like everything since yesterday. But then Yo-Yo Brandon's in here also. Yeah, I like it. I like.
Whoops, there we go.
It's a monthly. Brandon's is one time. And he updates it for you every day. Greedy Grizz with a monthly charge. But it is good. The kid is pretty awesome.
No,
You can do lifetime on Grizz. That's just like a 1 year. Because otherwise,
it's like 500. I think for the year. That's not so bad. Okay. But then, you know, I'm
70.
yeah, I just haven't quite decided what.
I like that.
Still overall lower volume. It's rising, but it's overall still much lower. Oh, this is 50%. I wanted to see 400 though. I mean, this isn't a bad area. Like you could try shorts up here. I've just been I wanted to see that pre-market low retest. A bit higher.
And it gives alerts actually too. He's gonna start putting in. He was showing on his Zoom one day that it's gonna start having like buy and sell signals, like straight up, like beside, because there already are ones for the 30-minute one. 30-minute test, but we'll have other ones for buy and sell, like when it bounces or rejects off supply and demand zones. At the same time, I'm trying to like get away from anyone's signals here. Like
Make your own calls.
Use my own calls.
Makes sense.
Yeah. But it's nice if there's a signal at the same time. It's like
Confirmation.
confirmation,
Yeah, I like
confirmation
that.
of my
That's what I like
instinct.
about it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Still potentially going to watch that 400 area, guys. See you, bro. Thanks for coming, man. Peace. Damn, 2 burritos. It's all you. Burrito bandito.
You can DoorDash Alvarado's also. Wow. I've done that a couple times. Then do get the $20 burrito.
As a reminder, guys, that 50% off Take Profit Trader ends on Sunday. Right now is the best time to go get yourself an account. 3-day pass instead of 5, and 50% off with no activation fee from TP to the T. Take Profit Trader. The 50Ks are only $85 all in.
Yeah, then you gotta and the menu prices are more expensive. Like a $10.
Don't. See you, bro. Thanks for coming, man. Peace. See you, dog. Yeah, got one with your code. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you guys. What's an activation fee? So an activation fee is when you pass the eval. It's a fee that you pay to activate the account.
It's slightly cheaper to buy a no activation fee account.
Yep.
If you pass the eval.
Yep. They're kind of slowly going away, but still.
Yeah, no, they're no dummies.
We break above point of control, it could rip. I'll still watch this 400 area, 390, 400. Still watch it for shorts.
Lots of chatter in the Discord about, you know, like people getting moved to live accounts when they're like about to get their second big pay or whatever.
It's happening with a lot of firms. I tell people all the time, I'm like, dude, these firms are not made for you.
Yeah.
They're made for them.
Exactly.
They're a tool.
But it's like, so how'd that dude Josh get 200K in payouts from Apex?
Well, a lot of them have changed.
Yeah.
Just that the golden age of props was like 2024, 2025. People like to complain about props and this and that. I was like, bro, they're edge. They make money off having an edge like a casino. It's not fair trade here, but you can still utilize them as a tool, then ultimately move to a live account over time.
I think it'd be helpful, like, with consistency. You know, like they force you to trade consistently and follow their rules. You know?
Yep.
Someone told me I was on camera and I should leave 2 minutes ago.
I went on camera.
Let's wait for, let's see this 400 area. Let's see if we get any sign of confirmation for a short here. I don't love that we're breaking above this strength of a point of control. I'd like to see us move up and lowering volume, short it here, and then try to move back down. 15-minute chart looks all right, moving up and lowering volume. You should.
It's kind of my plan after I get paid out from Apex. I'm gonna put it all on the trader account in my own personal. Because yeah, trading options on Thinkorswim
Don't know.
is not, or trading futures on Thinkorswim, the margin requirements are like astronomical.
Oh, it's insane.
It's good for trading like 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, and then I do prop firms for futures to start and then fund my own account.
Yeah.
Because I've always funded my own accounts.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I didn't know what prop firm was until like February or March or something. I was like, oh, that's interesting.
yeah, I gotta activate all these codes that I got
Yeah.
before they expire.
Did you get a couple bankers codes too? Yeah. I've activated one of the bankers codes I got. I might have to give my other one away. That's the thing.
Don't.
It's like, it's funny, like, the last couple days I had my bankers account open and my Thinkorswim open. I'm like, well, am I going to take this trade in Thinkorswim and keep the money, or am I going to trade it in Val?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to watch this Asia high area. Pre-market low we're about to touch. Let's see how we react up here for shorts. I don't like to just touch the level and go, but we'll see.
Make some money with them. $3,000 bucks.
We're getting close to that 400.
Just hit the spy.
We're getting there. We'll see how we react at it. That's going to be my big watch, everybody. As I've told you guys over and over, I don't like just touching the level, then rejecting, or then buying or selling. I like seeing the reaction at the level and then entering. Yep.
Yeah, I got BTQ here, spy here, 1 minute 500, and then NQ here, 1 minute 500. Yes, 1 minute 500. That's more data.
We'll see. That's what I'm trying to figure out too. I'm not exactly sure yet.
Yeah.
This is also a kind of a tough candle to short. I'd rather see this move it up and lowering volume. You have no trade yet. It is ripping.
Yeah, crazy. That's not a short one.
Yeah, it's not a candle that's super. You're super confident to short. That's why you wait. It's tricky for sure.
Yeah, I'm totally fine with not taking a trade and not losing money.
Yeah.
That's okay with me now.
That's growth.
Yeah.
I'm not in any trade. There's no stops because I'm not in a trade.
This is a long now.
Yeah, this is a tough.
See, someone's asking upside 2 bar. No, because it's.
Because we're still in a downtrend for the day.
Come on, man.
Why is this so hard to understand?
The chat is hilarious.
Oh, the 2 bar?
Is this a 2 bar?
Oh, it's a 2 bar.
It's so
It did close above Asia high. We could long our way back up. I could see that. I wanted to see the short up here, but going up in higher volume and really pushing up aggressively, it's tough. It's tough for sure.
Old me would be chasing longs right now. Oh.
It's good. We control.
Why not longs here? You could be on a pullback. Like if you so you pull back to pre-market low, like 390. Stops at like 365. You're still in the middle of this range though. Just be aware of that. I mean, look at your overall chart. It's a little trickier. Could take longs. Both the long entries I wanted no pullbacks earlier. I got no pullbacks. Nothing on either. Nothing. Yep, we'll see. Got a little bit longer. We'll try to catch something. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta take my secret trade in the bathroom.
Sweet. How big? Oh, that's. I've got 28 current. Nice. Yeah, 49. That's nice. Then you can put a lot of data on there.
Absolute ripper. With absolutely zero pullback. Zero pullback.
Brandon supply zone right there at the 30-minute order. Also,
Like, come on, any sort of pullback.
well,
Well, it could reject right there. Yeah. Look
That's what I was looking at too.
look for rejects at power 76. This both of these have the brand new indicator on, so his indicator automatically plots 30-minute or Asia low, previous day low and high, but it plots out supply and demand zones based on like larger time frames.
Face ripper, right?
Those are probably 1 hour supply. Yeah, I mean, like this morning, like it rejected pretty hard off of that supply zone. And then once it trades through it, it like makes that it disappears. Yeah. It was one time. Yeah, it was like 150 bucks or like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and he updates it. Yeah, so you get all the updates, and it works in TradingView and Thinkorswim. Wow.
Don't, 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 don't. Let's see.
Yeah, I got in TradingView too. I should take more advantage of TradingView because it offers a lot of
All I use.
useful stuff. But I'm like clunky in it. Like I don't know. I've just got so used to using Thinkorswim.
I've considered getting a book on that, but
Yeah, me too.
it's expensive.
It is expensive. There was like a 90% sale or something earlier this year that I almost got.
Absolute ripper. Almost a high freaking day.
Yeah, that's why.
Price like this, I can't leave. And Tesla finally found its.
No, not there yet.
Tesla found its relative low too. We're about to be high day. 476. Crazy. Just some aggressive volume too. That's exactly why you don't, even if you like a level for retracement in the overall trend, you don't just take it on the touch. You like to wait for confirmation. Otherwise, you try to short 400, you would have gotten absolutely just decimated, destroyed. All right, let's see. Previous day high right up here with the 15-minute high. Maybe a traditional orb. Literally no pullbacks at all in here. Little one here, that's it. Here's work turn around. We could. I guess you have a 15-minute doji. That's all right. Those work out sometimes. She pushing? Oh yeah, she is. This 15-minute chart looks great. Are you prepared for the incoming crash / recession? If it comes, sure. I'm down. Oh, whoops. Lost it all. Come on, man.
Pretty much. It's not that close. Yeah. The order down the supply zone. That's about right there.
50-minute chart looks good for continuation.
Yep. That's what the continuing chart did not look.
Looks great.
Not look very. A lot of volume on that ISBN now.
See if we get a retest down back to that like 420 to 400 area. Cussing. What cussing? Someone in chat? Grizzly left. No, he's done for the day.
I'm gonna try to do 20 pull-ups today.
All right, you got it. Come on.
I can do 10.
You got it.
Yeah, he did 20 on his Instagram yesterday. He asked AI if you how many pull-ups people can do. It's like the average American man can do like 0 to 1.
0 to 1. Crazy.
That's pretty sad. I was bad, but like I just started going to the gym this year, like in January. After like when I was in high school, I worked out. I played ice hockey. I was in the gym a lot, but like I was not like a gym bro for the last 30 years. From age 18 to 48, no gym, no lifting weights. And now I've been doing it like 6-7 days a week all year long. It became tough. Like it feels so good. Cherry Hills Village, 8 miles away from here. Cherry Hills? I'm
450 entry, stops about 475. We could. I mean, could be a decent short.
Yeah. I'm in recovery from a stressful law career. I really don't want to have to lean back on it, but it's a good fallback. I have to fall back on it.
Not a bad career.
Yeah. I was thinking about getting into cannabis law for a while, like especially after Rec went legal and like there was like all of a sudden hundreds and thousands of potential clients out there. I've always done just transactional stuff, mergers and acquisitions for a bunch of years. I never wanted to be like a litigator, fighting people in the courtroom. I get really nervous in court. And the only courtroom stuff I've done is
It's been a long now. We'll see. Maybe if we pull back a little more, I'd try it.
kids like unaccompanied minors who have come in from Mexico, Venezuela, Guatemala. Most of them were from Guatemala, my clients. And it's like helping these kids. Like that was like the best thing ever in my law degree. That's awesome. One of them just got his citizenship.
Hell yeah.
He's a truck driver. Living the dream. One of them she's in nursing school, like and this stuff happened. But like, yeah, it was really stressful being in immigration court with like ICE agents everywhere, and I just feel like the fear and stress. But none of my clients
Potential for a long down here, like 400 to 420. 15-minute chart looks good for it. Closer to 400, a little better risk reward overall.
There's some tricks. And I did mostly sell side of private targets. And it was like, so a lot of venture capitalist investors who wanted their money yesterday. Yeah. other side of the table, there was a lot of public buyers. Like I did a lot of deals where, you know, it was Google and Meta and IBM, Oracle, like serial buyers, and we're always out buying little companies. So I'd always be up against the, you know, Google lawyers are dicks. But I definitely, like, I won a lot of you know, negotiation stuff. I'd be like, yeah, you went to Harvard, you worked for Google. Sorry, these are the terms. Yeah, every once in a while.
I sold to a publicly traded company, my equipment manufacturing company, in 2022.
So the due diligence was probably pretty intense. It's like a really intense.
Don't. Come on, man.
And was there like a portion of the purchase price went into escrow or something like that?
Come on, man. So close. Again, bro.
I took 50% stock,
Yeah.
50% cash.
Oh, they love paying for it and stuff.
Again, dog. Yes. And they didn't give it 420 to 400. Again. I liked that 400 level a lot too. Dang. So close. Even at 420, there would have been a good amount of risk, but I was willing to do it.
Yeah, and that's when I was doing the M&A deals, it was like I did a lot of tech companies, pharma, biotech stuff, and it was like really interesting, you know, companies being bought and sold. You know, it was like the legal side of it, like the merger agreement, the escrow agreement, the payment agent agreement, this and that. Just like that was my job. It was like there's hundreds of pages of documents. It would be like Friday night at like 11 o'clock, and they'd be like, "Hey Wes, we just got hired on a deal. We need, you know, we want to close by Monday. We need to get comments out, you know, by like midnight or something." I'm like, "Whoa, yeah, I've been drinking." Is that malpractice? Probably, but I gotta get it done. Boss said he needs comments in an hour, so I need to read 150 pages of documents and get comments out and try to negotiate. There was no, I didn't have that. I stopped doing that over 10 years ago. Yeah, when I started doing that estate planning just on my own.
Dang, look at that.
Setting up people's trusts and all that shit.
Yep. What was the trust and power of attorney and all that stuff?
Big on asset protection.
Advancement of the revenues.
Yeah, 420, no trace was a bummer for sure.
Really set me up for success.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, having good estate planners are pretty useful. I even like, cause I'm not like terribly sophisticated about it. Like if I've gotten high net worth clients who need some like sophisticated tax planning and strategy to shield themselves.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna refer you to this guy who's like really good.
Yeah, that was unfortunate.
Oh, you're in danger of like federal like estate tax like limits. Let's get you over to someone.
Yeah. I mean, that's the right thing to do, right?
Yeah. I mean, I could learn it.
Yeah.
I could, you know, learn more stuff and more sophisticated stuff, but it's all good. Yeah, and selfishly, I'm like, well, I'm gonna
You don't know what you don't know. That's right. I was hoping we get a strong close up here at like 480, 490. And then try like a 2-bar type deal, like 460.
Or no, it's like 12 or 13 million for an individual. So married couples kind of get double that.
Right, it's in the trade order. It sucks. You know, at the feedback.
Is it just a green candle? I mean, what is Yeah, it looks different in trading view than it does on this one. Is that nice?
$400.
If we had a high volume, strong close up here, this actually doesn't look half bad for a long at like 450, 460, but it's 50-50 in here.
So I went past and down the play.
Yeah, I think his indicator is like optimized for trading view, compared to Thinkorswim.
I still think it's a long too. I agree. I agree with that statement. I mean, based on everything we're seeing, 100%. Play it with a 50-point stop. I don't know about that.
There's a lot of bummer kind of talk in the Discord right now. I hate trading for this whole week is going to try 30% time.
I'm falling asleep. You know, like trading Fridays? Why not?
Baseball is 90% mental. The other half is physical. The future ain't what it used to be. A nickel ain't worth a dime anymore.
Just nothing. I still kind of like this this 400 area, but this 15-minute chart's looking a little sketchy.
I'm okay with not taking trades.
Yeah.
I used to be a trade every day trader.
All the trades.
Chase every move trader. And was it the last mastermind class? I can't remember. It was one of the last two where we showed a chart that had it was a trader rate.
You're out 9K. Nice. Next week is a new week.
Trades in like an hour.
If your chart looks like this,
The daily chart has looked like that.
And we're going to bed in my stomach is soup. Oh boy! How's everyone's trading day that's still here? Nice. Yep. Money's made in months, not days. That's right. I wish we would have gotten that 400 level bounce. That would have been great. That would have been fire.
It is. And but I actually didn't get anything that I don't normally get. And I got a couple of things that were on sale that I would stock up on later anyway. And then I think the other things are on sale.
Take off in seconds. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can hold this 400 level. Yeah, August is just not my favorite month to trade in general. That's why it makes more sense every year why all the fund managers and Wall Street goes on vacation. Like, oh, we'll come back in September and kill it. Makes a lot of sense. It does make sense. See how we react like 400 area. That could be a potential higher low. But we might just chop. Now that we've swept pre-market low down here, touched Asia low. Here we go. Asia low, almost previous day low. Swept back up. I'd still like to see pre-market high tested. Yep, peak summer in August. Also best time to vacation. That's right. Come on, Brady. You got it, bro. Come on, man. Can't keep blaming on the months. It's not even blaming. There's no one or anything to blame with trading. That's just fact. That's statistical fact. That's data. That August is traditionally the lowest volume and slowest month. It's also a fact that a lot of fund managers go on vacation. A lot of Wall Street takes August off. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Bro, Ben, it's been slow as heck for me, man. Slow the last 2 weeks for how I trade. Hope you've been crushing it, though.
And just MQ, like, even if I had been watching ES and MQ, it's going to be too distracting. Yeah. The damage is done to my brain from 30 years of cannabis and alcohol and drugs.
Yeah, it's just been tough, bro. I feel you, man. In the same boat together, bro. It's been slow for me, too. Just a little dry spell. It's all right. Honestly, I blame Mercury being in retrograde. That's whose fault it is. Did I catch the long? No. I'd still like to see a 400 area. I think that'd be nice. You have an account texting me? It's not me. It's fake. Fake, 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 fake. The Jdun account I run has taken a hit for sure. The last 2 weeks, $2 up to $2. I'm sure you meant 200 for an account. 2,100 took out 1,500, left 600, now back to 300. Well, still profitable. That's good. You want a short? Well, just make sure you have your stop loss set. I don't think shorts look bad. I don't think they look amazing with how this market's V-shaped today, but I don't think it looks horrible. You $2 at 200 leverage. See how we react at 400. I'm potentially down for one trade at 400. Depending on how we react, 490, 390, 400. If we end up failing that to like 360, I would just stop and I would be done for the day and red for the day if I did take that. It is LPEC, so we might just chop. That is very true. Come on, man. Mess up your funded. I'm sorry. That sucks. Come on. 400. 400. Break 400 and reclaim for long. Come on. One more push down. 400 to 390. Reclaim 400 long. Stops at 360. Come on, Gene. Make the market move. Sleeping like you. It's in Gene mode. Or we might just chop and hang out in this 15-minute range. It's a little sketchy in there, but I think it looks all right. Dun, 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 dun. Come on.
I'm in Brandon's mentorship also. I'm in the discipline trader program with Jdun, and I'm in Brandon's mentorship, the market mastery program. So I joined, I don't know, maybe like a month or so, 2 months before. But one of the cool things, there was a weekly accountability class. So it's this dude Don Julio, who's team full. He was here a couple weeks ago last year. But he does the weekly accountability class, and it's just he talks about his struggles from a few years of like losing and over trading and all the pitfalls. You know, like, sooner or later you're just gonna get tired of your own shit. And I'm like, because like, I would hear the lessons, hear the wisdom about it. Discipline, patience, and I kept on over trading. Like even after I joined the program and some of that stuff. And finally I'm at the point where Don, I think I'm tired of my own shit. Yeah, I finally did it. Yep.
Supersonic design. Watching this 400 break to 390 and reclaim for longs.
Not like I used to, you know. Yeah,
It's the last position I'll watch.
I used to be fearless on a mountain bike. I can't believe the shit that I used to do. And I'd go in like this not on full suspension.
New supersonic. All right, I'm watching this, guys.
Whatever.
Like to see us break down and then reclaim 400.
No soft tag. Yeah. The spikes these days are amazing. But yeah.
I don't love that 5-minute aggressive volume down. I wanted to see us keep going down and lowering volume.
Somehow I never got seriously injured on them, but I ride bikes with my son on like the Highline Canal Trail. That's great. Long gravel, great. So and the bike, I had a nice specialized like on stone and I had my tool shed in my backyard.
Watching it, guys.
I was like, I'm not gonna spend $1,000 on a new bike now. So I got one of those like big fat tire bikes with a hard fork and a hard tail. It's so much fun to ride. It's like motorcycle tires. Yeah, it's super fun to ride. And I'll take it on like a 20-mile ride on the Highline Canal Trail. And it's like I'm like, if I were on a road bike, like this would be so easy. Like I've got like double.
I'm gonna try a piece of longs down here, guys. Trying it 390 to 400.
Yeah.
I'm going to try a small piece. This will be my only trade for the day. 390 to 400, and anywhere between 390 and 400 I like for a higher low. If I get crushed, it's everyone's fault but mine. I was peer pressured. $395. So stops at 360. I will either have a green day or we just flush straight down for OPEX. And I end the day and week red. If I didn't take a trade, I'd already end the week red. I had one losing day. I know. I'm willing to put the HQ record of no losses in like a year and a half, or no losing days, at risk.
Was last Friday?
We didn't take any trades. Nope.
I should have wrote my son last week.
I don't like this 5-minute candle but this is the only level I've been watching all day, so this has not been my best week. It's OPEX. We might just chop. Say average is 395. Right here is where I entered, guys. It's thinking about it, but we also had higher volume on this push down, so we'll see. Yeah. If I get crushed, then I'm just not my week. I'll take it to the chin. I'll take it like a man. Come on, push it. Push it. It's 10:15, all right. Because we got mom coming in soon. I'm going to put my stops at 395. I wouldn't usually do this, but I'm going to put them at break even. It's either going to push up here and continue up, or it's going to stop me at break even. 395. I didn't realize it was 10:15. So it's up about 11 points. I'm not going to trim anything until like probably 420, 430. But I'm going to put my stops at break even, guys. So it's either going to push off this 400 and just continue up and go to high a day and be great, or it's going to stop me at break even. Actually, we're putting it at 396. Massive winner. 1 point winner. I didn't realize it was so late. I thought it was like 9:45. So, all right, guys. I'm not going to... Yep, stopped at break even, guys. I'm not going to try this. I'm going to go and enjoy my mom's birthday today and my kid's birthday tomorrow. So if you guys want to hold this trade, you can. Just put your stops at like 360 or wherever you choose. I still think there's a chance that we have this higher low here and move, but I'm not going to trade this rest of the day. So, being said, I think it could move. I think this could be the spot. It's still around that entry area, but I am not going to put the risk. I wanted to see us come and test and move. I honestly didn't realize it was so late in the day. But yeah, if you want to take the trade, Stops have to be at 360. I'm not in the trade anymore. This was the entry area. I'm going to go enjoy my day. It's OPEX, so we might just chop around here and go. But yeah, as a reminder, I'm not in anymore. I'm not in anymore. So I'm going to end my week red. My red week. I was slightly green last week. I am slightly red this week. That being said, if you have more time today, you can still watch this area for a higher low. Just a reminder, your risks are we're in this 15-minute range. We're right in the middle of it. At that 50% retracement. Right in the middle of the 50-minute range. We got some support with pre-market low. Asia high. I think if we're going to continue up, this is the area that we're going to do it. But I will watch the party from the side. That being said, I need to react to enter. Now at my move, guys. If you guys are in that 400 area, guys have your stops at 360. I'm personally not going to be trading it, but that's what I like. React to entity. I'm going to end up mobbing off, but later today, react to my post in the Jdun Grizzly live trading channel to enter into the TPT giveaway, everybody. I don't want to blow up the chat. That being said, if you are trading this, this is the area. Why is my chart frozen? Oh, there we go. This is the higher low area. We'll see what it ends up giving us, and we'll hopefully have a killer week next week. You haven't missed out on literally any good setups. Not today. I mean, no considerate pullbacks. There's no trades that like were there, just hesitated. How I trade is very safe. Solid retests, solid trends, and this isn't a trending market, so respectfully, you're wrong on that. But anywho, look at the daily chart here. I mean that in the nicest way possible, too. You look at this, and this just chop. Once we get a trending market up or down, then yes. If you're hesitating and missing, then that's something you got to correct. But if there's no solid retests and an overall higher time frame ranging market, that's just not what I like to trade. Some people are great at it. Some people love trading those markets. I'm not one of them. And honestly, like I always say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So something that you hate might be great for someone else. Something that I love, you might hate. That's how I look at it. So, I like trending markets. This hasn't been a trending market. So, it's all right. We live to trade another day. You know what we're going to do? Otherwise, I'm definitely not going to do it later. Is we got to give away 20 TPT accounts. I got to give away some more. So if you have a TPT account, type your email out in the chat. Type your email in the chat. I'm going to give away some accounts right now. If you haven't made an account, you got to make one with TPT. And you have to have an account. It has to be the right email. Let's see. Let's pick. We're gonna copy and paste some email. Zero is getting a TPT account. Mr. Zero. David, lifetime member, getting a TPT account. Let's see. Premium members get the majority of giveaways. Make sure your email's right. If it's not right, you will forfeit your giveaway. I don't have time to be customer service. I'm not going to be customer service. So get your email right, or you forfeit your giveaway if you get picked. I'm just telling you that right now in the nicest way possible. Diana Realtor, all right, from the TikTok. We always like to show some love to our free streams. You're getting a TPT account, Take Profit Trader giveaway. You got to type your email, not just TPT. Why do you guys keep typing TPT? They don't do codes. Let's give one to E. Austin 27, premium member. E. Austin 27, congrats. By Monday, you'll have a TPT account. Let's go. Let's go. I'm putting the emails in here. Thank you guys for being premium members. Appreciate you guys using code Jdun on your prop firms. Damn! What? Damn, that was the one, huh? Marcus Areolis, winner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Let's go with Guppy, Chase James, winner. Congratulations. Why does everyone keep typing TPT? You don't get picked by typing TPT. You got to type your email for TPT. Gosh. Like, what? If you guys give the wrong email, you forfeit your chance to win. I am not customer service. I say that in the nicest way possible. I don't have time for that. You get one chance to type your email. If you get it wrong, too bad, too sad. And I know it sounds cutthroat. I don't have time to be doing all that. No email in public chat? Well, then, that's too bad. Damn, look at that freaking pump. Let's go with Bellawella. I'm going to rapid pick these from premium. Let's see here. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. All right. We're going to do it one more time. I'm also putting on a slow mode, so type it one time. We're going to pick so the chat don't get blown up. Let's see. Rich B. Golden. Rich B. Golden. I hope you're rich and golden. Yes. Congrats on the TPT 50K. As a reminder, these accounts are 3-day pass and 50% off until Sunday. Steven. Congratulations, Steven. Jackson Leslie. Jackson Leslie, let's go. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We'll show some love to Joshua. Joshua Park. All right. 2 more winners to pick. 50Ks from Take Profit Trader. Premium member Kinetic Abram, congratulations. Hopefully you guys typed the right email. Otherwise, you're out of luck. And finally, we got Andrew Flowers, premium member with a dub. With an absolute dub. Dub. Let's go. thank you guys all for being a part of the giveaway. We'll turn back off slow mode now. Just like that. Yeah, well, those longs ended up going from 400 to freaking 450. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to mob off. Trade smart, trade safe. I will see you guys all on Sunday night or Monday morning for live trading. Thank you guys all for being here. Choosing DOD. Trading smart. Trading safe. Staying focused. And choosing discipline over dopamine. I'll see y'all later, everyone. God bless. Have a great rest of your weekend. Peace. Adios. Let's stop this. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure if you're on TikTok, you hit that follow button in the top left corner. You guys also have homework. Go watch my new YouTube video on Jdun trades. I just posted a beautiful video, the new way to day trade in 2026 on my entire strategy. That's your 13 minutes of homework this week. Jdun trades on YouTube. That's your homework. New video is up. So God bless y'all. I'll see you later. Peace. Oh, you can't post emails here. That's lame. Damn, that's why they weren't showing up. I was like, why do you guys keep typing TPT? Like, what are you guys doing? So why does everyone keep typing TPT? Yeah, that sucks. They're the only firm that doesn't give codes. They do emails. I wish I could DM on YouTube, but all right, we'll figure out something for y'all next week. God bless y'all. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.